paying an attorney to have them teach you the tax sale business? This is a question that was asked by Dominic on YouTube. And first off, Dominic, thank you so much for your question and for subscribing. So the question itself was, hey, Casey, I thought about paying an attorney to sit down so he could teach me about tax sale investing. Good idea. I actually get questions or comments like this from time to time. So attorneys do play very important roles in the tax sale world. But as far as teaching you this business, they're generally not going to be a qualified or good source of information when it comes to strategy and learning the business. Listen, I've got a lot of friends who are attorneys, and they're very, very good at practicing law. If you need a contract written, laws interpreted, litigation, any of that stuff, they're fantastic at it. But actual investing, not so much. Here's an analogy for you. Would you go to a nice restaurant and ask the waiter to train you on how to make a 5-star meal? Sure. They've been in the kitchen. They probably sliced some lemons, some limes. They know what most of the dishes come with. Perhaps they even know some of the ingredients that come in those dishes. But their specialty is not cooking. It's more customer service related. Just like a waiter cannot do a chef's job or vice versa, an attorney cannot teach you how to invest in most scenarios. Now, is it a good idea to sit down with an attorney, perhaps to get some questions answered about specific laws that might impact you? Absolutely. Maybe you're focused on short-term rentals and you want to know what parts of the city code or the state statute will impact you. Absolutely. Sit down with an attorney. It's also good to have one attorney or multiple attorneys on standby in case issues arise in the future. But as much as I respect attorneys, they're often not masters of investing. They make their money practicing law, not through tax sale investing. Instead, you need to learn investing from an investor. Find a local mentor that is willing to help you out. Train yourself through the teaching of other investors like this channel that you're watching right now, or take the more formal training like we offer in the Tax Sale Academy. And by the way, most attorneys are going to charge you $300, $400, $500, $600 per hour, depending on where you're located. With a formal training platform like we offer, I can assure you your money's going to go much, much farther, and you're going to learn by somebody who's been doing it for decades. So in short, attorneys are absolutely helpful in this business if you use them correctly. Just don't think that they can teach you something, however, that they themselves aren't experienced with. Their experience is in practicing law, not tax sale investing. So Dominic, hopefully this helps you out. If you have any other questions, or anybody watching this video right now has any questions, feel free to leave them in a comment below this video or any of the videos that we have on YouTube. We'll definitely respond. We might even answer it with a video response just like this one. And for more information on the tax sale business, make sure you check out all links in today's show notes, including the one to tax sale book right here. The book itself is free. Just cover the nominal shipping cost to get it from our warehouse to your front door. And it is an incredible way to get your tax sale business started. Hey, take care, folks. Bye-bye.